What's up guys, I'm Jenny with DTF Superstore and I'm very excited about this new product we have in stock here. This is the Hotronix Easy Brand Craft Heat Press. It is a versatile and compact heat press designed specifically for crafters, hobbyists, and small-scale entrepreneurs. With its 9x12 heating surface, it provides ample space for applying heat transfers onto a variety of materials such as fabrics, garments, and other flat surfaces. So let's dive in and take a look at its features and functionality. The heat press is designed with a compact footprint, making it ideal for use in small spaces such as home studios, craft rooms, or workshops. And my favorite thing about this heat press is that it's only 35 pounds, which makes it extremely portable and easy to take to conventions and expos for live customizations. Despite its small size, the 9x12 heating area allows for efficient production and customized items and covers the design of most DTF designs. The Hotronix Easy Brand Heat Press is equipped with digital controls for both time and temperature settings. This allows the users to precisely adjust the heat and duration of the pressing process according to the requirements of the transfer material, ensuring a consistent result and preventing overheating or underheating. One of the key features of this heat press is its ability to provide even heat distribution across the entire surface. This ensures heat transfers are applied uniformly, resulting in a high-quality, professional-looking results without any cold spots or uneven pressure. The heat press is equipped with an adjustable pressure knob or lever, allowing users to easily customize the pressure applied during the pressing process. This feature is essential for accommodating different types of materials and transfer applications, ensuring optimal adhesion and durability of the transfer design. Safety is a priority. It typically includes features such as an auto-off function that shuts down the machine after a period of inactivity. Whether you're working with heat transfer vinyl, sublimation transfers, DTF transfers, or other types of heat-applied graphics, this heat press is compatible with a wide range of transfer materials. The versatility makes it suitable for creating custom apparel, accessories, home decor items, and so much more. Even with its advanced features, the Hotronix is designed for ease of use. Its intuitive controls and straightforward operation make it accessible for users of all skill levels, from beginners to experienced crafters. Constructed from high-quality materials and built to withstand frequent use, this heat press is designed to provide years of reliable performance. Its durable construction ensures stability, longevity, even under demanding production conditions. Overall, the Hotronix combines precision, efficiency, and versatility, making it the perfect tool for crafters and small-scale businesses looking to create professional quality custom products. If you're interested in this product, the link will be down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see y'all soon. Bye!